The arrival of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, or Industry 4.0, brings rapid changes to industries and societies due to a focus on large-scale interconnectivity and smart automation. The way we live and work will change significantly. Students of today will be working well into the 2060s or 2070s. Much of their careers will be spent working in an Industry 4.0 workplace. To prepare them for this, we offer a curriculum structure that will equip them with the knowledge and skills needed to function effectively in an Industry 4.0 environment and facilitate their career development way beyond their graduation. Introduced in 2001, the general education component has evolved every few years to remain relevant to the changing work environment. The latest revision attempts to align it with Industry 4.0, where many businesses will be highly data-driven and technology-centric. This is evident from our industry transformation maps. Thus, we have data literacy and digital literacy as part of the general education component. Students can build on these pillars by taking higher-level modules in these two areas. In the Industry 4.0 setting, effective communicators who are comfortable working in global settings will be valued. Hence, we have critique and expression and cultures and connections pillars in the general education component. These lay the groundwork which students can build on with future project work, presentations, global experience, and other learning activities. In the Industry 4.0 workplace, income inequality will be exacerbated. For the well-being of our society, it is important that the well-off have empathy for and the desire to uplift those who are not. Therefore, we include Singapore Studies and Communities and Engagement pillars in the general education component. These pillars help guide students to grow by participating in deeper impact experience activities to address the needs of communities. Beyond the general education component, there are also efforts to improve our curriculum structure to better prepare students for the Industry 4.0 landscape. They will increasingly have to solve complex problems that transcend disciplinary boundaries by combining ideas from different disciplines and perhaps adding their own insights and imagination about how these ideas can be put together in meaningful ways. Therefore, we have introduced a common curriculum layer that comprises of interdisciplinary modules. With this, students are exposed to ideas from multiple disciplines. They will realize the benefit of being able to better understand complex problems when viewed through a multiple disciplinary perspective. They also get to appreciate why drawing ideas from multiple disciplines can lead to more effective solutions for the problems. Students with such broad exposure will go into their majors fully aware that many other bodies of knowledge do exist. They will also be better prepared for continuing education and training compared to others who have been narrowly trained. Industry 4.0 also introduces many different types of jobs that require people with many different combinations of knowledge and skills. Even within specific professions, personnel will be engaged in a wide variety of work-related activities. It is hardly possible to identify every combination of disciplines that will be needed years down the road. Therefore, we have maintained an unrestricted elective space for students to pursue a second major or one or two minors in addition to their major. Students can also use the unrestricted elective space to further specialize within their major. This curriculum structure gives students numerous possibilities, allowing them to design their studies based on their inclinations and interests. Industry 4.0 is also characterized by a rapid obsolescence of knowledge. To thrive in such a situation, individuals will have to stay consistently updated with the current trends. With this in mind, we did away with having a very big major component in the curriculum structure because much of the knowledge and skills imparted will become obsolete over time. We now use the major component to help students build a strong disciplinary foundation and acquire advanced disciplinary knowledge that will make them immediately employable. This will allow students to build and rebuild their disciplinary knowledge and skills even after their graduation through continuing education and training. This will secure their relevancy in a fast-changing work environment. In the Industry 4.0 era, existing industries may vanish with new ones emerging from time to time. Industry boundaries may also change over time. This has significant implications for workers and their jobs. The nature of jobs will change at an increasing pace over time. Workers will need to upskill and reskill as and when needed. With our curriculum structure, students can choose to broaden, deepen, or refresh their knowledge and skills by returning and taking up second majors, minors, or specializations through continuing education and training. In short, there are no dead ends in our curriculum structure, which has been progressively introduced in the College of Humanities and Sciences, the College of Design and Engineering, the NUS College, the Business School, the School of Computing, the Faculty of Law, and the Health Sciences departments, which include medicine, dentistry, nursing, and pharmacy. Regardless of their choice of profession, students of today can expect to face multiple disruptions throughout their careers. When these happen, we want our graduates to be able to prevail in their situations by pivoting to better jobs with the support of continuing education and training.